Netflix makes 80% of what you watch happen through one invisible system. You didn't choose that show. An algorithm did. And the math behind it is more fascinating than anything it's ever recommended to you. At its core, every recommendation system asks one simple question: what do similar people enjoy? If you and I both loved Inception and Interstellar, chances are we'll both love the next Christopher Nolan film. That's the entire idea. This is called collaborative filtering, and it's the backbone of almost every recommender system. The word collaborative means the system learns from the collective behavior of millions of users, not just yours. You're part of a giant puzzle. But how does a computer measure similarity? With a matrix. Imagine a giant spreadsheet, users on one axis, movies on the other. Each cell holds a rating, 1 to 5 stars. Most cells are blank. That's the challenge. To fill those blanks, we use a formula called cosine similarity. It measures the angle between two users' rating vectors. The closer the angle to 0, the more similar the users. Think of it as two arrows pointing in nearly the same direction. But wait, there's a second approach entirely. Instead of comparing users, we compare items. This is content-based filtering. Netflix doesn't just track what you watched, it tags every show with hundreds of attributes: genre, tone, pace, cast, even color palette. Here's the mind-blowing part. Netflix and YouTube don't use just one method. They combine both into a hybrid system. User behavior plus content features fuse together. The result is a prediction engine so accurate it can feel almost eerie. Now let's go deeper. Modern systems use matrix factorization, breaking the giant user movie matrix into two smaller matrices using a technique called SVD. Hidden patterns called latent factors emerge. Things like loves plot twists or prefers slow burns. YouTube takes this even further with deep neural networks. Every click, pause, rewatch, and skip trains a model with billions of parameters. The system doesn't just predict what you'll watch, it predicts what will keep you watching the longest. All of this runs on massive data infrastructure. Apache Spark processes petabytes of user events in real time. Databricks trains the models. The recommendations you see were computed seconds ago, from the behavior of hundreds of millions of people. But recommendation systems aren't perfect. They create filter bubbles, trapping you in a loop of the same content. The algorithm optimizes for engagement, not truth or diversity. That's a feature that became a flaw, and it's reshaping society. We started with a simple question: what do similar people enjoy? That question now shapes what billions of people watch, read, and believe. The most powerful algorithm in the world isn't a weapon or a rocket. It's a recommendation engine. And it's already running your life.